Good day, everyone. My name is Aferos El Cabilles. Today, I am here to talk about something very meaningful and important: choosing teaching as a career. Imagine that I belong to a team that encourages senior high school graduates to enroll in teacher education. My goal today is to convince grade 12 students to consider becoming teachers in the future. Education plays a vital role in shaping the future of every nation, and at the center of this process are the teachers. Teachers are not only facilitators of knowledge but also mentors, role models, and nation builders who guide learners towards becoming responsible and productive citizens. In the Philippines, the teaching profession is recognized as one of the most essential careers as it directly contributes to national development. Because of this, the government has established laws and policies to protect teachers and ensure that they receive the privilege and benefits they deserve. Encouraging senior high school graduates to pursue teacher education requires not only passion but also awareness of the advantages and opportunities within the profession. Many students hesitate to choose teaching due to misconception about law, compensation of limited growth. However, in reality, teachers in the Philippines enjoy a wide range of benefits, incentives, and legal protection provided under various Republic Acts. This presentation aims to highlight the privilege and benefit of teachers supported by Philippine laws such as Republic Act Number 4670 Magna Carta for Public School Teacher, Republic Act Number 7836 Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act, Republic Act Number 10912 Continuing Professional Development Act, and Republic Act Number 11466 Salary in Standardization Law of 2019. By understanding this, grade 12 students will be encouraged to consider teaching as fulfilling and stable career. First, legal protection and rights of teachers. Republic Act 4670, Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. One of the strongest foundation of teacher privileges in the Philippines is Republic Act Number 4670, also known as the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. This law ensures that teachers are protected, respected, and provided with fair working conditions. Key benefits under Republic Act 4670. Security of tenure: teachers cannot be dismissed without due processes. This ensures job stability and protection from unfair treatment. Academic freedom: teachers are given the freedom to choose appropriate teaching methods and strategy so to their students. Working hours: teachers are required to render only 6 hours of actual classroom teaching, with additional time allotted for preparation and other duties. Leave benefits: teachers are entitled for vacation and sick leave, allowing them time to rest and maintain their well-being. Protection for harassment: the law protects the teachers from unjust accusation and ensures proper investigation procedures. These provisions make teaching a secure and respected profession. Number 2, competitive salary and financial benefits. Republic Act 11466, Salary Standardization Law. Another important factor in choosing career is financial stability through Republic Act number 11466. The government has increased the salaries of public school teachers. Financial benefits, increased salary grades, entry-level teachers, Teacher 1, now receive higher salary compared to previous years. Allowances and bonuses. Teachers receive mid-year bonus, year-end bonus, cash gift, performance-based or bonus or PBB, chalk allowance, teaching supply allowance. Teachers are giving funds annually to support classroom materials, hazard pay, and special hardship allowance, provided to teachers assigned in difficult or remote areas. These financial benefits ensure that teachers can support themselves and their families while maintaining dignity in their profession. Number 3, Professional Growth and Development, Republic Act number 10912 or CPD Act. Teaching is a lifelong learning profession through Republic Act number 10912. Teachers are encouraged by continuously improve their skills, opportunities for growth. Free or subsidized training and seminars. Teachers attend workshops to enhance teaching strategies. Scholarships for higher education, opportunities to pursue master and doctoral degrees. Career advancement, teachers can be promoted to positions such as master teacher, head teacher, school principal. This law ensures that teachers grow professionally and stay updated with modern education practice. Number 4, Professional Recognition of Republic Act 7836, Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act. Teaching is recognized as a professional career. Through Republic Act number 7836, teachers must pass the licensure examination for teachers or LET. They are recognized as licensed professionals under the Professional Regulation Commission or PRC. This enhances the dignity and credibility of the profession. Being a licensed teacher provides a sense of pride, achievement, and respect in society. Number 5, Health and welfare benefits. Teachers are also provided with health and welfare support to ensure their overall well-being. PhilHealth coverage, access to healthcare services, or GSIS benefits government, service insurance system, life insurance, retirement benefits, disability benefits, maternity and paternity leave, support for teachers with families, especially privilege additional leave for personal needs. These benefits promote a balanced life between work and personal responsibilities. Number 6, retirement and security benefits. Teaching provides long-term security through retirement programs. Teachers can retire with pension benefits under GSIS. They receive financial support even after years of service. Early retirement options are also available under certain conditions. They ensure that teachers are taken care of even they stop working. That's all. Thank you.